चल कहीं बाहर चलते हैं।
Let's go out somewhere. Let's go out somewhere.
मुझे 2 मिनट लगेंगे।
It will take me 2 minutes. It will take me 2 minutes.
तुम इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हो?
Why are you taking so much time? Why are you taking so much time?
मुझे नहाना पड़ रहा था।
I was having to take a bath. I was having to take a bath.
मैं आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ।
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you.
टैक्सी से चलते हैं।
Let's go by cab. Let's go by cab.
बताओ उसे कहाँ जाना है।
Tell him where to go. Tell him where to go.
हम म्यूजियम जाना पसंद करेंगे।
We would like to visit the museum. We would like to visit the museum.
वहाँ पहुँचने में कितनी देर लगेगी?
How long will it take to reach there? How long will it take to reach there?
ज्यादा से ज्यादा इसमें 5 मिनट लगेंगे।
At the most it will take 5 minutes. At the most it will take 5 minutes.
क्या हम पहुँच गए वहाँ?
Have we reached there? Have we reached there?
हाँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है।
Yes, I think so. Yes, I think so.
यहाँ मत उतरो।
Get ready. Get ready.
फोन बज रहा है।
The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing.
किसका फोन बज रहा है?
Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone is ringing?
लगता है आपका फोन बज रहा है।
I think your phone is ringing. I think your phone is ringing.
हेलो, कौन बोल रहा है?
Hello, who is speaking? Hello, who is speaking?
हेलो, मैं रोहन हूँ, मैं सनी से बात करना चाहता हूँ।
Hello. This is Rohan. I would like to speak to Sunny. Hello. This is Rohan. I would like to speak to Sunny.
तुम्हारे लिए कॉल है।
There's a call for you. There's a call for you.
हेलो, कौन है?
Hello. Who is this? Hello. Who is this?
हेलो, मैं सनी हूँ।
Hello, this is Sunny. Hello, this is Sunny.
तुम अभी कहाँ हो?
Where are you now? Where are you now?
मैं म्यूजियम में हूँ।
I am in the museum. I am in the museum.
वैसे तुम कर क्या रहे हो अभी?
By the way, what are you doing right now? By the way, what are you doing right now?
मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
I am doing nothing. I am doing nothing.
वैसे तुम्हारा आज रात का क्या प्लान है?
By the way, what are your plans for tonight? By the way, what are your plans for tonight?
मैं सोच रही था कि अगर हम दोनों आज रात बाहर डिनर पर चले।
Actually, I was thinking that if we both go out for dinner tonight? Actually, I was thinking that if we both go out for dinner tonight?
अच्छा विचार है।
Good idea. Good idea.
मैं आपसे बाद में बात करूंगा।
I will talk to you later and bye. I will talk to you later and bye.
मुझे भूख लगी है।
I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry.
मुझे भी भूख लगी है।
I am feeling hungry too. I am feeling hungry too.
मैं ऐसी जगह जानता हूँ जहाँ हमें स्वादिष्ट भोजन मिल सकता है।
I know the place where we can get delicious food. I know the place where we can get delicious food.
आप क्या लेना पसंद करोगे?
What would you like to have? What would you like to have?
हमें इतना सारा खाना ऑर्डर नहीं करना चाहिए था।
We ought not to have ordered so much food. We ought not to have ordered so much food.
खाना अभी तक तैयार नहीं हुआ है।
The food's not ready yet. The food's not ready yet.
हाथ धो लो, खाना तैयार है।
Wash hands. Food is ready. Wash hands. Food is ready.
खाना लगा दो।
Serve the food. Serve the food.
आओ, अब खाना खाएं।
Let's have food now. Let's have food now.
आपको को मसालेदार खाना मना है।
You are forbidden spicy food. You are forbidden spicy food.
मैं नॉन वेज नहीं खाता।
I don't eat non-veg food. I don't eat non-veg food.
क्योंकि मैं भूखा था इसलिए मैंने सारा खाना खा लिया।
Since I was hungry, I ate all food. Since I was hungry, I ate all food.
आज खाने में नमक नहीं है।
There's no salt in the food today. There's no salt in the food today.
अपना खाना जल्दी खत्म करो।
Finish your food quickly. Finish your food quickly.
यह खाना मुझे मेरे माँ के खाने की याद दिलाता है.
This food reminds me of my mother's food. This food reminds me of my mother's food.
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. मुझे पता नहीं है.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
ये मेरे हैं.
These are mine. These are mine.
मुझे एक दिन का वक्त दो.
Give me a day. Give me a day.
इसे जरा ढीला कर दो.
Loose it a bit. Loose it a bit.
आओ चाय पीते हैं.
Let's take tea. Let's take tea.
3 वर्षों से.
For 3 years. For 3 years.
मैं कितनी गलत थी.
I was so wrong. I was so wrong.
हम इसी लायक थे.
We deserved it. We deserved it.
कोई बात नहीं.
It's all right. It's all right.
इंडिया जीतेगी.
India will win. India will win.
हाथ छोड़ो उसका.
Leave her hand. Leave her hand.
मुझे छोड़ के मत जाओ.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
इसके बारे में सोचो.
Think about it. Think about it.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. खाना तैयार है.
Meal is ready. Meal is ready.
मैंने बहुत कोशिश की.
I tried a lot. I tried a lot.
हम में से कोई नहीं.
Neither of us. Neither of us.
इतने से काम चलेगा?
Is it enough? Is it enough?
यह बेकार है.
It is useless. It is useless.
मुझे नहीं पता था.
I didn't know. I didn't know.
कोई सा भी चलेगा.
Either will do. Either will do.
जो मन में आए करो.
Do as you wish. Do as you wish.
सुबह का समय था.
It was morning. It was morning.
यह किसके लिए है?
Who is it for? Who is it for?
उसने मेरा साथ दिया.
He stood by me. He stood by me.
उसकी मंगनी हो गई.
He got engaged. He got engaged.
उसकी शादी हो गई.
He got married. He got married.
तुमने पूछा नहीं?
You didn't ask? You didn't ask?
मैं तुझे मसल दूंगा.
I'll crush you. I'll crush you.
यह मुश्किल है.
It's difficult. It's difficult.
मुझे दोष मत दो.
Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
आप मेरी उम्र के हो.
You are my age. You are my age.
राम को बता दो.
Inform the ram. Inform the ram.
क्या आप दोबारा बोल सकते हैं?
Can you repeat? Can you repeat?
इसे मत छेड़ो.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. वो क्या है?
What is that? What is that?
मैं शर्मिंदा हूँ.
I am ashamed. I am ashamed.
यह क्या है?
What is this? What is this?
उसने मुझे वंचित किया.
He bereft me. He bereft me.
मुझे जाना है.
I have to go. I have to go.
5 बजने में 10 मिनट बाकी है.
It is 10 to 5. It is 10 to 5.
मुझे हिंदी आती है.
I know Hindi. I know Hindi.
मैं समझता हूँ.
I understand. I understand.
उसकी इतनी हिम्मत.
How dare he? How dare he?
दे इधर.
Give it here. Give it here.
पता है आपको.
You know what? You know what?
क्या वो चला गया है?
Has he left? Has he left?
मुझे पूछना पड़ा.
I had to ask. I had to ask.
जिद मत करो.
Don't insist. Don't insist.
मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
I am kidding. I am kidding.
धीरे बोलो.
Speak slowly. Speak slowly.
बकबक मत करो.
Don't prattle. Don't prattle.
घबराने की बात नहीं है.
Not to worry. Not to worry.
मैं डर गया था.
I was scared. I was scared.
मुझे घर छोड़ दो.
Drop me home. Drop me home.
उसने मुझसे कहा.
He said to me. He said to me.
मैं डर गई थी.
I got scared. I got scared.
जाकर सो जाओ.
Go and sleep. Go and sleep.
मैं खा चुका हूँ.
I have eaten. I have eaten.
इसमें क्या है?
What's in it? What's in it?
क्या दिखाना है?
What to show? What to show?
मेरा सर मत खाओ.
Don't vex me. Don't vex me.
मुझे देखना पड़ा.
I had to seen. I had to seen.
मेरे साथ आओ.
Come with me. Come with me.
वो खुश हो गया.
He got happy. He got happy.
बिल्कुल वही.
Exactly that. Exactly that.
उसे खेलने दो।
Let him play. Let him play.
नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ।
No, I am not. No, I am not.
मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ।
I spend a lot. I spend a lot.
मुझे वो चाहिए।
I want that. I want that.
बर्फ गिर रही है।
It's snowing. It's snowing.
मेरा सिर मत खाओ।
Don't nag me. Don't nag me.
शर्माओ मत।
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
क्या बकवास है?
What nonsense. What nonsense.
मुझे वहाँ ले चलो।
Take me there. Take me there.
क्या यह आपका है?
Is it yours? Is it yours?
क्या मैं नहीं जा सकता?
Can I not go? Can I not go?
करीब करीब उसी हालत में।
Much the same. Much the same.
मुझे हक है।
I have right. I have right.
मुझे पढ़ना पड़ा।
I had to read. I had to read.
क्या मुझे जाना है?
Have I to go? Have I to go?
धीमे बोलो।
Speak softly. Speak softly.
देर मत करना।
Don't be late. Don't be late.
कलम कहाँ है?
Where is pen? Where is pen?
उसे बुखार हो गया था।
He had fever. He had fever.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। बहस मत करो।
Don't argue. Don't argue.
बहुत अच्छे से।
Quite well. Quite well.
सब खत्म हो गया।
All is over. All is over.
ये मत करो।
Don't do it. Don't do it.
नौकरी कर लो।
Start a job. Start a job.
ये लो, मैं आ गया।
Here comes I. Here comes I.
आंख मत मारो।
Do not wink. Do not wink.
उठाओ उसे।
Lift him up. Lift him up.
क्या राम अच्छा है?
Is Ram good? Is Ram good?
ऊपर वाले से दुआ करो।
Wish to God. Wish to God.
यह गलत है।
It is wrong. It is wrong.
ध्यान दें।
Be attentive. Be attentive.
तुम पकड़ो इसे।
You hold it. You hold it.
क्या तुम पागल हो?
Are you mad? Are you mad?
वो मुझे मारता है।
He beats me. He beats me.
7 बजे तक इंतजार करो।
Wait till 7 o'clock. Wait till 7 o'clock.
अब यह कभी नहीं।
Now or never. Now or never.
मुझे भूख लगी है।
I am hungry. I am hungry.
उन्हें जाने दो।
Let them go. Let them go.
जोर से बोलो।
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
थोड़ी देर पहले।
A while ago. A while ago.
मैं इंतजार करूंगा।
I will wait. I will wait.
जैसा आप चाहो।
As your wish. As your wish.
वो मेरे पास बैठा था।
He sat by me. He sat by me.
वो मेरे पापा हैं।
He is my dad. He is my dad.
मैं डरा हुआ था।
I was scared. I was scared.
समझ आ गया।
I understood. I understood.
मैं सच कहूं तो।
To be honest. To be honest.
वो दुखी हो गया।
He got upset. He got upset.
रोना धोना बंद करो।
Stop fussing. Stop fussing.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं।
No, not at all. No, not at all.
बाहर देखो।
Look outside. Look outside.
मैं मजबूर हूँ।
I'm helpless. I'm helpless.
जैसा आप चाहो।
As you please. As you please.
तुम उसे जानते हो?
You know him? You know him?
बहुत खराब था।
It was worst. It was worst.
बिस्तर लगा दो।
Make the bed. Make the bed.
थोड़ा खेल लो।
Play a little. Play a little.
उसे हक है।
He has right. He has right.
मैं नहा रहा हूँ।
I am bathing. I am bathing.
वहाँ कौन है?
Who's there? Who's there?
क्या तुम तैर सकते हो?
Can you swim? Can you swim?
मैं मजबूर हूँ।
I am helpless. I am helpless.
क्या बारिश होगी?
Will it rain? Will it rain?
और कुछ?
Anything else? Anything else?
क्या गलत है?
What's wrong? What's wrong?
ध्यान दो।
Pay attention. Pay attention.
यह मेरी ख्वाहिश है।
It's my will. It's my will.
मैं आसपास ही था।
I was around. I was around.
यहाँ से चले जाओ।
Go from here. Go from here.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
I am trying. I am trying.
हाँ, मैं जानता हूँ।
Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
सीधे होकर बैठो।
Sit upright. Sit upright.
गाड़ी को रोको।
Stop the car. Stop the car.
मुझे 8 बजे याद दिला देना।
Remind me at 8 o'clock. Remind me at 8 o'clock.
एक योजना बनाओ।
Make a plan. Make a plan.
कहाँ है वो?
Where is he? Where is he?
रोना बंद करो।
Stop crying. Stop crying.
मैं खुश हो गया।
I got happy. I got happy.
वो आ सकता है।
He can come. He can come.
मैं खोद नहीं सकता।
I can't dig. I can't dig.
ध्यान रहे।
Keep in mind. Keep in mind.
आसपास देखो।
Look around. Look around.
अविश्वसनीय।
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
आराम से बैठिए।
Feel at home. Feel at home.
किसकी है ये?
Whose is it? Whose is it?
खूब मुस्कुराओ।
Smile a lot. Smile a lot.
अब मेरी बारी है।
It's my turn. It's my turn.
क्या उसे प्यार किया जाता है?
Is he loved? Is he loved?
मैं आसपास ही हूँ।
I am around. I am around.
यह पाप है।
This is sin. This is sin.
इसे संभालो।
Handle this. Handle this.
मैं साइन कर रहा हूँ।
I'm signing. I'm signing.
उसे बाहर निकालो।
Get him out. Get him out.
मैं नहीं गया।
I didn't go. I didn't go.
दिल्ली क्यों?
Delhi. Why? Delhi. Why?
ये कौन करता है?
Who does it? Who does it?
मेरे पास कार है।
I have a car. I have a car.
मुझे माफ कर दो।
Forgive me. Forgive me.
हाँ, उसने किया।
Yes, he did. Yes, he did.
वो हकलाता है।
He stammers. He stammers.
बीच में।
At intervals. At intervals.
इसे वापस रख दो।
Put it back. Put it back.
बस पता है।
I just know. I just know.
इतना सारा दूध।
So much milk. So much milk.
मेरी बात पूरी तरह सुन लो।
Hear me out. Hear me out.
शुभकामनाएं।
All the best. All the best.
मैं उत्सुक हूँ।
I am curious. I am curious.
बारिश हो रही है।
It's raining. It's raining.
अपना रास्ता नापो।
Go your way. Go your way.
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं।
Nothing much. Nothing much.
मुझे कहना पड़ा।
I had to say. I had to say.
ढक्कन खोल दो।
Open the cap. Open the cap.
अंदर देखो।
Look inside. Look inside.
अंदर इंतजार करो।
Wait inside. Wait inside.
मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं।
I don't mind. I don't mind.
यह सही है।
It is right. It is right.
वाह, क्या बात है।
Wow. Superb. Wow. Superb.
भगवान से दुआ करो।
Pray to God. Pray to God.
भगवान की कसम खाओ।
Swear by God. Swear by God.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है।
He is unwell. He is unwell.
मुझे क्या?
What to me? What to me?
मुझे खांसी हो गई।
I got cough. I got cough.
मुझे ये चाहिए।
I want this. I want this.
उसकी उम्र का लिहाज करो।
Act her age. Act her age.
प्रत्येक के लिए।
For everyone. For everyone.
चिंता मत करो।
Don't worry. Don't worry.
ये लीजिए।
There it is. There it is.
उसकी इतनी हिम्मत।
How dare he? How dare he?
मुझे नहीं पता।
I don't know. I don't know.
प्यार की निशानी।
Seal of love. Seal of love.
असंभव।
Not possible. Not possible.
और कुछ नहीं।
Nothing else. Nothing else.
चलो टहलते हैं।
Let's stroll. Let's stroll.
वो क्यों?
Why is that? Why is that?
आज रविवार है।
It's Sunday. It's Sunday.
धक्का मत दो।
Don't push. Don't push.
उसने फोन काट दिया।
She hung up. She hung up.
पियो इसे।
Drink it up. Drink it up.
आप मुझे बोलने दो।
Let me speak. Let me speak.
आप में से हर एक.
Each of you. Each of you.
गोली मत चलाना.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
वो गूंगी है.
She is dumb. She is dumb.
क्या ये अच्छा है?
Is it good? Is it good?
आराम से.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
क्या उसे भेजा गया?
Was he sent? Was he sent?
अच्छी थी.
It was nice. It was nice.
मेरी बात सुनो.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
सोचने दो मुझे.
Let me think. Let me think.
कौन जाएगा?
Who will go? Who will go?
मुझे झूठों से नफरत है.
I hate liars. I hate liars.
कुछ करो.
Do something. Do something.
चटाई बिछा दो.
Lay the mat. Lay the mat.
क्या खाओ?
What to eat? What to eat?
वो वहाँ है.
She's there. She's there.
जो मैं कहता हूँ वो करो.
Do as I say. Do as I say.
अब फोन रख.
Now hang up. Now hang up.
किसी कीमत पर.
At any cost. At any cost.
सब कैसे हैं?
How are all? How are all?
किसकी तरफ?
Towards whom? Towards whom?
किसके बिना?
Without whom? Without whom?
मैंने कहा रुको.
I said stop. I said stop.
इन्हें का है.
They own it. They own it.
मैं कहता हूँ रुको.
I say, stop. I say, stop.
कोशिश करते रहो.
Keep trying. Keep trying.
घबराओ मत.
Don't panic. Don't panic.
तुम कौन हो?
Who are you? Who are you?
बस को रोको.
Stop the bus. Stop the bus.
मैं घबराया हुआ हूँ.
I am nervous.
क्या करूं?
What to do? What to do?
समय के पाबंद रहो.
Be punctual. Be punctual.
हम में से हर एक.
Each of us. Each of us.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Not at all. Not at all.
कौन है?
Who's that? Who's that?
हाँ, मैंने किया.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
धीरे पढ़ो.
Read slowly. Read slowly.
बस इसे कर दो.
Just do it. Just do it.
थोड़ा थोड़ा करके.
Bit by bit. Bit by bit.
आंख मत मारो.
Don't wink. Don't wink.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
I think so. I think so.
मुझे तेरी जरूरत है.
I need you. I need you.
बस आ रहा है.
Just coming. Just coming.
मुझे चाय पसंद है.
I like tea. I like tea.
हिम्मत करो.
Take heart. Take heart.
दाएं घूमो.
Turn right. Turn right.
ये किसने किया?
Who did it? Who did it?
भाड़ में जाओ.
Go to hell. Go to hell.
तुरंत जाओ.
Go at once. Go at once.
डिनर किया?
Had dinner? Had dinner?
डांस किसने किया?
Who danced? Who danced?
मैं सही हूँ.
I am right. I am right.
पीछे मुड़ो.
Turn around. Turn around.
मैं तुम्हारा हूँ.
I am yours. I am yours.
गंभीर बनो.
Be serious. Be serious.
बस थोड़ा.
Just a bit. Just a bit.
होता है.
It happens. It happens.
1 घंटा के लिए.
For an hour. For an hour.
यह क्या है?
What is it? What is it?
संभल कर.
Watch out. Watch out.
मेरे साथ रहो.
Be with me. Be with me.
आप ठीक है?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
आपके पीछे.
Behind you. Behind you.
थोड़ी देर के लिए.
For a while. For a while.
झूठ बोलना बंद करो.
Stop lying. Stop lying.
कसके पकड़ो.
Hold tight. Hold tight.
हो गया.
It's done. It's done.
मैंने उसे छोड़ दिया.
I left her. I left her.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Excellent. Excellent.
अब तुम कोशिश करो.
Now you try. Now you try.
ये लीजिए.
Here it is. Here it is.
थोड़ा इंतजार करें.
Wait a bit. Wait a bit.
फिसल मत जाना.
Don't slip. Don't slip.
वो लंगड़ा है.
He is lame. He is lame.
मेरे पास आओ.
Come to me. Come to me.
मुझे माफ कर दो.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
कोई जिक्र नहीं.
No mention. No mention.
उसे जाने दो.
Let her go. Let her go.
सब जायज है.
All is fair. All is fair.
मैं थक गया हूँ.
I am tired. I am tired.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मेरी राय में.
In my opinion. In my opinion.
अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो.
If you ask me. If you ask me.
जैसा मुझे लगता है.
The way I see it. The way I see it.
मुझे लगता है.
It seems to me. It seems to me.
जहाँ तक मैं देख सकता हूँ.
As far as I can see. As far as I can see.
जहाँ तक मेरी बात है.
As far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned.
मैं ईमानदारी से ऐसा मानता हूँ.
I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that.
मेरे नजरिए से.
From my point of view. From my point of view.
निजी तौर पर मुझे लगता है.
Personally, I think. Personally, I think.
मैं यह बताना चाहूँगा.
I'd like to point out that. I'd like to point out that.
मेरे अनुभव में.
In my experience. In my experience.
मैंने देखा है.
I have observed that. I have observed that.
मैं निश्चित नहीं हूँ, लेकिन.
I am not certain, but. I am not certain, but.
इस मामले में मेरी मिली-जुली राय है.
I have mixed opinions on this. I have mixed opinions on this.
इस मामले में मेरी कोई राय नहीं है.
I have no opinion in the matter. I have no opinion in the matter.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. इस महीने.
This month. This month.
इसके बाद से.
Henceforth. Henceforth.
क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ?
May I sit? May I sit?
ठीक है.
All right. All right.
पास आओ.
Come near. Come near.
बहुत अच्छा.
Very nice. Very nice.
उसका पीछा करो.
Follow him. Follow him.
ये वाला.
This one. This one.
घर पे रहो.
Be at home. Be at home.
कब तक?
Until when? Until when?
कौन आया?
Who came? Who came?
मुझे पता था.
I knew it. I knew it.
क्या राम अंदर है?
Is Ram in? Is Ram in?
मेरी तरफ देखो.
Look at me. Look at me.
मुझे विश्वास है.
I believe. I believe.
चलो टहलते हैं.
Let's walk. Let's walk.
पीछे रहो.
Stay back. Stay back.
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
I am here. I am here.
छुपाओ मत.
Don't hide. Don't hide.
पीछे देखो.
Look back. Look back.
वो जा सकता है.
He may go. He may go.
एक तरफ हो जाओ.
Move aside. Move aside.
बस इतना ही.
That's all. That's all.
बाद में क्यों?
Why later? Why later?
अब क्या?
What now? What now?
इसलिए.
That's why. That's why.
सब बढ़िया.
All fine. All fine.
ये अच्छा है.
It's good. It's good.
कोई शक.
Any doubt. Any doubt.
कुछ मत करो.
Do nothing. Do nothing.
जाना ही पड़ा.
Had to go. Had to go.
मुझे यकीन है.
I am sure. I am sure.
किसके बारे में?
About whom? About whom?
कोई बात नहीं.
No problem. No problem.
झगड़ा मत करो.
Don't fight. Don't fight.
सब बढ़िया है.
All is well. All is well.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Not at all. Not at all.
मेरी कसम खाओ.
Swear by me. Swear by me.
कौन है वो?
Who is she? Who is she?
जरा ठहरिए.
Please wait. Please wait.
पहले आप.
After you. After you.
अगर ये बात है तो.
If it is so. If it is so.
जैसे को तैसा.
Tit for tat. Tit for tat.
मैं जाने वाला हूँ.
I am to go. I am to go.
किसके बारे में?
Whom about? Whom about?
किस तरह से?
In what way? In what way?
इस बार.
This time. This time.
मन करता है.
I feel like. I feel like.
सब्र करो.
Be patience. Be patience.
नहीं मतलब नहीं.
No means no. No means no.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। वो बेहोश पड़ा है।
He is lying unconscious. He is lying unconscious.
मजाक करने का ये कोई वक्त नहीं है।
This is no time to joke. This is no time to joke.
मैं क्यों बताती तुम्हें?
Why should I inform you? Why should I inform you?
क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो?
Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me?
वो हंसते हुए आंख क्यों मारती है?
Why does she wink while smiling? Why does she wink while smiling?
मैं उनका विश्वास नहीं तोड़ सकता।
I can't break his trust. I can't break his trust.
हम सभी अपने माँ बाप से प्यार करते हैं।
We all love our parents. We all love our parents.
उसे भागने मत देना।
Don't let him get away. Don't let him get away.
अपनी घड़ी ठीक करवाओ।
Get your watch repaired. Get your watch repaired.
ऐसे कैसे तुम जा रहे हो?
How come you are going? How come you are going?
मुझे दांत के डॉक्टर से मिलना है।
I want to see a dentist. I want to see a dentist.
हर चीज का अपना वक्त होता है।
Everything has its time. Everything has its time.
मेरे चेहरे पर दाने निकल आए।
I got rashes on my face. I got rashes on my face.
मेरा घर यहाँ से दूर है।
My home is far from here. My home is far from here.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। तुम शर्मा क्यों रहे हो?
Why are you blushing? Why are you blushing?
ठंडी हवा चल रही है।
Cold wind is blowing. Cold wind is blowing.
भाई तुम कहाँ थे?
Where were you, brother? Where were you, brother?
अब मैं फोन रख रहा हूँ।
I am getting off the phone now. I am getting off the phone now.
वहाँ वो कौन है?
Who is that over there? Who is that over there?
धूप में बाहर मत जाओ।
Don't go out in the sun. Don't go out in the sun.
उसके बाप का राज है क्या?
Is it his father's rule? Is it his father's rule?
फोन मत काटना।
Don't hang up the phone. Don't hang up the phone.
ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि तुम्हें न पता हो?
How come you don't know? How come you don't know?
मेरा देश सबसे पहले है।
My country is above all. My country is above all.
क्या आपको वाकई में ऐसा लगता है?
Do you really think so? Do you really think so?
मैं उसकी छोटी छोटी बातें जानता हूँ।
I know his ins and outs. I know his ins and outs.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है?
What's your intention? What's your intention?
वो आपके कौन लगते हैं?
Who is he to you? Who is he to you?
ये वाला कैसा रहेगा?
How about this one? How about this one?
पहली नजर में मैंने तुम्हें अपना बना लिया।
At first sight, I made you my own. At first sight, I made you my own.
यही मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ।
That's what I want to ask. That's what I want to ask.
मुझे कुछ देर सोचने दो।
Let me think for a while. Let me think for a while.
चलो मैं आपको छोड़ देता हूँ।
Let me drop you. Let me drop you.
मैं तुमसे परसों मिलूंगी।
I will see you the day after tomorrow. I will see you the day after tomorrow.
मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछता हूँ।
Let me ask you one question. Let me ask you one question.
उसने मेरे काम की तारीफ की।
She appreciated my work. She appreciated my work.
कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है।
Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens.
किसी चीज की जरूरत हो तो बताना।
Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything.
मिलते रहा करो।
Keep in touch. Keep in touch.
मैं यही सवाल आपसे पूछने वाली थी।
I was about to ask you the same question. I was about to ask you the same question.
तो आप पार्टी कब दे रहे हो?
When are you throwing the party? When are you throwing the party?
तुमने उसे बेवकूफ बनाया, है ना?
You fooled him, don't you? You fooled him, don't you?
क्या मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करूं?
May I call you after some time? May I call you after some time?
ज्यादातर मैं उसके बारे में सोचता हूँ।
Most of the time I think of her. Most of the time I think of her.
एक बात तो पक्की है।
One thing is sure. One thing is sure.
आप क्या कह रहे थे?
What were you saying? What were you saying?
मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला।
I didn't speak anything wrong. I didn't speak anything wrong.
तुम मुझे ऐसे ही पसंद हो।
I like you as you are. I like you as you are.
तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया.
You messed with him for no reason. You messed with him for no reason.
मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता.
I still don't know. I still don't know.
वो तुम्हारी राह देख रहा होगा.
He may be waiting for you. He may be waiting for you.
कभी खुद भी कर लिया करो.
Sometimes do it yourself. Sometimes do it yourself.
मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Why does it only happen to me? Why does it only happen to me?
तुम खुद से कुछ नहीं करते.
You do nothing by yourself. You do nothing by yourself.
वो आपके कौन लगते हैं?
Who is he to you? Who is he to you?
तुम अब बच्चे नहीं हो.
You are not a baby anymore. You are not a baby anymore.
मुझे से बात करते करते हिचकिचाओ मत.
Don't hesitate while talking to me. Don't hesitate while talking to me.
मुझे आपसे अभी मिलना है.
I have to meet you right now. I have to meet you right now.
तेरे जैसे लोग मैंने बहुत देखे हैं.
I have seen number of people like you. I have seen number of people like you.
मैंने भी मूवी नहीं देखी है.
Even I haven't seen this movie. Even I haven't seen this movie.
आगे क्या करना है?
What to do next? What to do next?
तू फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहा था?
Why were you not picking up the phone? Why were you not picking up the phone?
दूसरा रास्ता जरूर होना चाहिए.
There must be another way. There must be another way.
चल कुछ खाते हैं.
Let's eat something. Let's eat something.
जैसा आपने कहा मैंने किया.
I did as you said. I did as you said.
जैसा आपको ठीक लगे.
As you feel like. As you feel like.
जैसे आपकी मर्जी.
As you wish. As you wish.
जैसा तुम कहो.
As you say. As you say.
उसे डांटने के बजाय तुम मुझे डांट रहे हो.
You are scolding me rather than scolding him. You are scolding me rather than scolding him.
यह लीजिए खाना.
Here is the food. Here is the food.
वो मुझे फोन करता रहता है.
He keeps calling me. He keeps calling me.
एक दोस्त होने के नाते मैं हमेशा तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा.
Being a friend, I will always help you. Being a friend, I will always help you.
मैं कहना तो चाहता था लेकिन कह नहीं पाया.
I wanted to say but could not say. I wanted to say but could not say.
मैं तुम्हें खोना नहीं चाहता हूँ.
I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you.
तुम मुझे कैसे भूल पाओगी?
How will you forget me? How will you forget me?
तुम दूसरों से अलग हो.
You are different from others. You are different from others.
क्या मैं तुम्हें बेबी बुला सकता हूँ?
May I call you baby? May I call you baby?
तो क्या बात कर रहे थे हम?
So what were we talking about? So what were we talking about?
गाना सुनने लायक है.
Song is listenable. Song is listenable.
मूवी देखने लायक थी.
Movie was watchable. Movie was watchable.
ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है.
It is not your cup of tea. It is not your cup of tea.
मेरे घर का ख्याल रखना.
Look after my house. Look after my house.
बुरे दिन जल्दी खत्म हो जाएंगे.
Bad days will be over soon. Bad days will be over soon.
यहाँ आप कितनी देर रहोगे?
How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here?
मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताता हूँ.
Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing.
उसको कम मत समझना.
Don't underestimate him. Don't underestimate him.
मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं है.
I have no other option. I have no other option.
किसी और का गुस्सा मुझ पर मत निकालो.
Don't poke out anyone's anger on me. Don't poke out anyone's anger on me.
उसने मुझे अनदेखा कर दिया.
He ignored me. He ignored me.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ.
I am curious to learn English. I am curious to learn English.
जहाँ तक मुझे पता है वो नहीं आएगा.
As far as I know he will not come. As far as I know he will not come.
तूने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier?
जब तक तुम चाहो तुम यहाँ रुक सकते हो.
As long as you want, you can stay here. As long as you want, you can stay here.
अभी मिल सकते हो क्या?
Can you meet me right now? Can you meet me right now?
उनका मजाक मत उड़ाओ.
Don't make fun of them. Don't make fun of them.
मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा.
No one asked me. No one asked me.
मैं फैसला कर चुका हूँ.
I've made my decision. I've made my decision.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है।
I think that he is right. I think that he is right.
क्या आपको देर हो रही है?
Are you getting late? Are you getting late?
यह देखने लायक है।
It's worth watching. It's worth watching.
छुट्टी रख लो।
Keep the change. Keep the change.
मुझे घर पहुंचने में 1 घंटा लगेगा।
I will take an hour to get home. I will take an hour to get home.
आपने मेरे लिए किया क्या है?
What have you done for me? What have you done for me?
मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है।
I am speechless. I am speechless.
तुम तो फालतू में इधर उधर घूमते रहते हो।
You keep roaming here and there for no reason. You keep roaming here and there for no reason.
दरवाजे पर कौन है?
Who is at the door? Who is at the door?
यह एक अपशगुन है।
This is a bad omen. This is a bad omen.
मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा था।
I was just kidding. I was just kidding.
तुम्हारी बातों में दम है।
Your words have weight. Your words have weight.
इसका अंजाम बुरा होगा।
Its result will be undesired. Its result will be undesired.
उसके इरादे सही नहीं है।
His intentions are not good. His intentions are not good.
होनी को कौन टाल सकता है?
Who can change the destiny? Who can change the destiny?
अब मैं फोन रख रहा हूँ।
I am getting off the phone now. I am getting off the phone now.
अपना गुस्सा थूक दो।
Spit out your anger. Spit out your anger.
मुझे कोई इतराज नहीं।
I have no objection. I have no objection.
ठंडी हवा चल रही है।
Cold wind is blowing. Cold wind is blowing.
तुम शर्मा क्यों रहे हो?
Why are you blushing? Why are you blushing?
उसे बहकाओ मत।
Don't mislead him. Don't mislead him.
मेरा मूड खराब मत करो।
Don't spoil my mood. Don't spoil my mood.
मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो।
Don't look at me like this. Don't look at me like this.
मुझे परेशान मत करो।
Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me.
ज्यादा होशियार मत बनो।
Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart.
शायद आप नहीं जानते।
You may not know. You may not know.
उसे यह करने दो।
Let him do it. Let him do it.
मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है।
I got used to it. I got used to it.
हम अक्सर गलतियां कर बैठते हैं।
We often make mistakes. We often make mistakes.
तुम्हारे पास काफी समय था।
You had plenty of time. You had plenty of time.
सोच समझकर बोलो।
Think before you speak. Think before you speak.
अपना काम करो।
Mind your own business. Mind your own business.
उसका ख्याल रखना।
Take care of her. Take care of her.
पागल मत बनो।
Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
मुझे यह सुनकर बड़ा दुख हुआ।
I am very sorry to hear this. I am very sorry to hear this.
बात को अधिक न बढ़ाओ।
Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further.
आज मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ सका।
I couldn't study anything today. I couldn't study anything today.
असुविधा के लिए खेद है।
Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience.
हमें अगले बस स्टॉप पर उतरना है।
We have to get off the bus at the next stop. We have to get off the bus at the next stop.
यहाँ कोई नहीं आया।
No one came here. No one came here.
क्या और कोई आदमी आया था?
Had anyone else come? Had anyone else come?
मुझे कुछ खाने को दो।
Give me something to eat. Give me something to eat.
मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है।
I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you.
आपकी यात्रा अच्छी हो।
Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey.
ऐसी बात मत बोलो।
Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing.
क्या कोई परेशानी है?
Is there any problem? Is there any problem?
मेरी ओर से माफी मांग लीजिए।
Apologize on my behalf. Apologize on my behalf.
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए। थैंक यू। बाएं घूमो।
Turn left. Turn left.
मुझे इसकी जरूरत है।
I need it. I need it.
इसे लो।
Take this. Take this.
उसे छोड़ो।
Leave him. Leave him.
शांति रखो।
Keep calm. Keep calm.
किसी से भी पूछ लो।
Ask anyone. Ask anyone.
यह फटा हुआ है।
It's torn. It's torn.
यह मेरा है.
It's mine. It's mine.
किस तरह का?
What type? What type?
हाँ, बोलिए.
Yes, speak. Yes, speak.
घूमो मत.
Don't move. Don't move.
मैं दुखी हो गया.
I got sad. I got sad.
उसके पास जाओ.
Go to him. Go to him.
कहाँ से?
From where? From where?
मेरा हो गया.
I am done. I am done.
परवाह मत करो.
Never mind. Never mind.
मैं यह जानता हूँ.
I know it. I know it.
यह कौन है?
Who is it? Who is it?
मत रो.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
मैं अस्वीकार करता हूँ.
I decline. I decline.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go. Let me go.
सतर्क रहो.
Be alert. Be alert.
वापस आओ.
Come back. Come back.
सामने देखो.
Look ahead. Look ahead.
मधुमक्खियाँ भिनभिनाती हैं.
Bees buzz. Bees buzz.
महीनों पहले.
Months ago. Months ago.
ये तुमने किया.
You did it. You did it.
हाथ ऊपर करो.
Hands up. Hands up.
मैं जा रही हूँ.
I'm going. I'm going.
किस बारे में?
About what? About what?
ऐसा लगता है.
So it seems. So it seems.
अच्छा विचार है.
Good idea. Good idea.
देखते हैं.
Let's see. Let's see.
जैसा तुम कहो.
As you say. As you say.
जल्दी आओ.
Come early. Come early.
मुझ पर विश्वास करो.
Believe me. Believe me.
कहीं नजर न लगे.
Touch wood. Touch wood.
उसके बाद.
Thereafter. Thereafter.
समझ गए.
Understood. Understood.
मैं तुमसे शर्त लगाता हूँ.
I bet you. I bet you.
फिलहाल.
As of now. As of now.
दूर ले जाओ.
Take away. Take away.
कोई बात नहीं.
No matter. No matter.
मुझे ये चाहिए.
I want it. I want it.
स्पष्ट रूप से.
Obviously. Obviously.
मैं पैसे दूंगा.
I will pay. I will pay.
यह आसान है.
It's easy. It's easy.
नया क्या है?
What's new? What's new?
भगा देना.
Drive away. Drive away.
वो महीना.
That month. That month.
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. कब से?
Since when? Since when?
अभी तुरंत.
Right now. Right now.
संभल कर.
Watch out. Watch out.
वो वाला.
That one. That one.
मैंने तुम्हें बताया था.
I told you. I told you.
उधर देखो.
Look there. Look there.
कौन गया?
Who went? Who went?
फिर आना.
Come again. Come again.
क्या नहीं?
What not? What not?
सावधान रहें.
Be careful. Be careful.
हर किसी के लिए.
For anyone. For anyone.
ठीक है.
It's okay. It's okay.
पुनः प्रयास करो.
Try again. Try again.
आज के लिए.
For today. For today.
तैयार हो जाओ.
Be ready. Be ready.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
इस साल.
This year. This year.
कुछ नहीं.
Nothing. Nothing.
झूठ मत बोलो.
Don't lie. Don't lie.
जहाँ तक मेरी बात है.
As for me. As for me.
राम जाता है.
Ram goes. Ram goes.
असंभव.
Impossible. Impossible.
कितनी बार.
How often? How often?
वर्षों से.
For years. For years.
वो कैसे.
How that? How that?
ये लो, मैं आ गया.
Here I am. Here I am.
इसे कम करो.
Reduce it. Reduce it.
कौन जाने.
Who knows? Who knows?
छोड़ो मुझे.
Leave me. Leave me.
बस अभी.
Just now. Just now.
बहुत अच्छा.
Too good. Too good.
इसमें कोई आश्चर्य वाली बात नहीं है.
No wonder. No wonder.
तेज दौड़ो.
Run fast. Run fast.
हफ्तों पहले.
Weeks ago. Weeks ago.
मुझ पर भरोसा करो.
Trust me. Trust me.
बहुत अच्छा.
Very well. Very well.
लेकिन क्यों?
But why? But why?
मैं कौन हूँ?
Who am I? Who am I?
वो घूमता है.
He walks. He walks.
इस समय.
Presently. Presently.
भविष्य में.
In future. In future.
ऊपर फेंको.
Throw up. Throw up.
जल्दी आओ.
Come fast. Come fast.
मैं वादा करता हूँ.
I promise. I promise.
जरा ठहरिए.
Just wait. Just wait.
यह कैसा है?
How it is. How it is.
मुझे अंदर आने दो.
Let me in. Let me in.
चलो चले.
Let's go. Let's go.
बार बार.
Repeatedly. Repeatedly.
उसे जाने दो.
Let him go. Let him go.
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. कितनी प्यारी.
How cute. How cute.
बात खत्म करो.
Forget it. Forget it.
हम में से एक.
One of us. One of us.
अपना ख्याल रखना.
Take care. Take care.
इसके बाद.
Hereafter. Hereafter.
दूर हटो.
Move away. Move away.
इसे दोहराओ.
Repeat it. Repeat it.
कम से कम.
At least. At least.
कौन जीता?
Who won? Who won?
रहने दो ना.
Let it be. Let it be.
लानत है तुम पे.
Damn you. Damn you.
बहुत अच्छे.
Well done. Well done.
थोड़ा सा भी नहीं.
Not a bit. Not a bit.
किसे परवाह है?
Who cares? Who cares?
क्या चल रहा है?
What's up? What's up?
किसके साथ?
With whom? With whom?
बुलाओ उसे.
Call him. Call him.
किस लिए?
For what? For what?
समझ आ गया.
I got it. I got it.
हाँ जरूर.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure.
क्यों नहीं?
Why not? Why not?
माफ कीजिए.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
एक लो.
Take one. Take one.
मुझे याद दिला देना.
Remind me. Remind me.
जिस पर.
Whereupon. Whereupon.
और कौन?
Who else? Who else?
और क्या?
What else? What else?
कौन जाता है?
Who goes? Who goes?
उसके बाद.
Thereupon. Thereupon.
बहुत बुरा.
Very bad. Very bad.
बेशक.
Of course. Of course.
पीछे हटो.
Move back. Move back.
शांत रहिए.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
आगे जाओ.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
हाँ, तो.
Yes, then. Yes, then.
इधर देखो.
Look here. Look here.
हिम्मत से काम लो.
Be brave. Be brave.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am going. I am going.
उस साल.
That year. That year.
मेरा पेट भर गया.
I am full. I am full.
खड़े हो जाओ.
Stand up. Stand up.
यहाँ हस्ताक्षर कीजिए.
Sign here. Sign here.
दफा हो जाओ.
Get lost. Get lost.
ज्यादा नहीं.
Not much. Not much.
जाने दो.
Let it go. Let it go.
किसने कहा?
Who said? Who said?
इस सप्ताह.
This week. This week.
मस्ती करो.
Have fun. Have fun.
पीटो उसे.
Beat him. Beat him.
तैयार हो जाओ.
Get ready. Get ready.
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. दूर जाओ.
Go away. Go away.
कितना लंबा?
How long? How long?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
No way. No way.
तुम नहीं.
Not you. Not you.
कहीं नहीं.
Nowhere. Nowhere.
इसके लिए.
For this. For this.
किसके लिए?
For whom? For whom?
जब कभी.
Whenever. Whenever.
थोड़ा सा.
A little. A little.
मुझे उम्मीद है.
I hope. I hope.
मुझे बताओ.
Tell me. Tell me.
फिर मिलेंगे.
See you. See you.
मुझे लगता है.
I think. I think.
बहुत बुरा.
Too bad. Too bad.
खुश रहो.
Be happy. Be happy.
पक्का.
For sure. For sure.
रख लो.
Keep it. Keep it.
हमेशा के लिए.
For good. For good.
वापस जाओ.
Go back. Go back.
उससे पूछो.
Ask him. Ask him.
वो करो.
Do that. Do that.
सच में.
Really. Really.
अभी तक नहीं.
Not yet. Not yet.
कितना.
How much? How much?
खुशी का दिन.
Gala day. Gala day.
जल्दी करो.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
जो कुछ भी.
Whatever. Whatever.
कितने.
How many? How many?
छोड़ दो.
Leave it. Leave it.
हमेशा की तरह.
As usual. As usual.
जल्दी जाओ.
Go fast. Go fast.
कुछ समय.
Sometime. Sometime.
चुप रहो.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
हाल ही में.
Recently. Recently.
मत जाओ.
Don't go. Don't go.
काश.
I wish. I wish.
इसे साफ करो.
Clean it. Clean it.
आजकल.
Nowadays. Nowadays.
और तो और.
Moreover. Moreover.
कसम से.
I swear. I swear.
अंदर आ जाइए.
Come in. Come in.
लगे रहो.
Carry on. Carry on.
जरा रुको.
Hold on. Hold on.
बैठ जाओ.
Sit down. Sit down.
नहीं कर सकता.
I can't. I can't.
जल्दी करो.
Be quick. Be quick.
मेरी मर्जी.
My wish. My wish.
अभी नहीं.
Not now. Not now.
कितनी जल्दी.
How soon? How soon?
इसे पकड़ो.
Hold it. Hold it.
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. के लिए.
For. For. कभी नहीं. Never. Never.
जरूर.
Certainly. Certainly.
जैसे कि.
As if. As if.
ऐसा करो.
Do so. Do so.
हो सकता है.
Maybe. Maybe.
बस रहने दीजिए.
Enough. Enough.
मेरे लिए.
For me. For me.
मैं कहता हूँ.
I say. I say.
हमारे लिए.
For us. For us.
समझ गए.
Got it. Got it.
ऐसा क्यों?
Why so? Why so?
खबरदार.
Beware. Beware.
पहन कर देखना.
Try it on. Try it on.
दिखाओ मुझे.
Show me. Show me.
लानत है.
Damned. Damned.
इसमें.
Wherein. Wherein.
मेरी मदद करो.
Help me. Help me.
मुझे डर लगता है.
I fear. I fear.
सच में.
Really. Really.
किसी भी समय.
Anytime. Anytime.
अभी के लिए.
For now. For now.
इसे लो.
Take it. Take it.
मैं गिर गया.
I fell. I fell.
मैं जानता हूँ.
I know. I know.
कितनी दूर.
How far? How far?
किसके द्वारा.
By whom? By whom?
जाने दो.
Let go. Let go.
मैं गया था.
I went. I went.
आपके लिए.
For you. For you.
मेरा मतलब है.
I mean. I mean.
उसके लिए.
For him. For him.
अफसोस.
How sad. How sad.
मुझे लगता है.
I feel. I feel.
किसी दिन.
Someday. Someday.
मुझे दो.
Give me. Give me.
लेकिन क्यों.
But why? But why?
तो क्या.
So what? So what?
ऊपर देखो.
Look up. Look up.
जो कोई भी.
Whoever. Whoever.
मैंने कहा था.
I said. I said.
अभी नहीं.
Not now. Not now.
हमेशा के लिए.
Forever. Forever.
उठो.
Get up. Get up.
उनके लिए.
For them. For them.
मेरी मदद करो.
Help me. Help me.
अच्छा ठीक है.
It's okay. It's okay.
इसे धो दो.
Wash it. Wash it.
दूर जाओ.
Go away. Go away.
कितना लंबा.
How long? How long?
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू. बड़बड़ाओ मत.
Don't mutter. Don't mutter.
सही है.
That's right. That's right.
ये तुमने किया.
You did this. You did this.
वो नाराज हो गया.
He got angry. He got angry.
क्या तुम पागल हो.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
ठीक वहीं.
Right there. Right there.
मेरे साथ खेलो।
Play with me. Play with me.
तुम बच गए।
You're saved. You're saved.
समय पर आना।
Come on time. Come on time.
मुझे दिखाना पड़ा।
I had to show. I had to show.
कहाँ खाऊं?
Where to eat. Where to eat.
वो घमंडी है।
He is a snob. He is a snob.
बाहर मत जाओ।
Don't go out. Don't go out.
मैं भूख से मरा जा रहा हूँ।
I'm starving. I'm starving.
इसे यहाँ रखो।
Keep it here. Keep it here.
उसे बुखार है।
He has fever. He has fever.
तुरंत जाओ।
Go right away. Go right away.
क्या वो सो गया?
Did he sleep? Did he sleep?
मैं हिल नहीं सकता।
I can't move. I can't move.
कुछ कहावतें।
Some proverbs. Some proverbs.
ऊपर जाओ।
Go upstairs. Go upstairs.
मेरे तुझसे भीख मांगता हूँ।
I beg of you. I beg of you.
फिर मिलते हैं।
See you later. See you later.
क्या मैं गलत था?
Was I wrong? Was I wrong?
मैं डर गया था।
I was afraid. I was afraid.
आप बताओ।
How about you? How about you?
बहरे हो क्या?
Are you deaf? Are you deaf?
ये चर्चा में है।
It is in talk. It is in talk.
मेरे साथ पढ़ो।
Read with me. Read with me.
सब ठीक है।
All are fine. All are fine.
क्या कहना है?
What to say? What to say?
कुछ काम कर लो।
Do some work. Do some work.
मैं काम पर हूँ।
I am at work. I am at work.
अपनी उम्र का लिहाज करो।
Act your age. Act your age.
आओ शुरू करें।
Let's start. Let's start.
वहाँ कौन है?
Who is there? Who is there?
लगता है कि।
It seems that. It seems that.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए।
Let me speak. Let me speak.
हिम्मत मत हारो।
Never say die. Never say die.
शर्माओ मत।
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
मुझे प्यास लगी है।
I am thirsty. I am thirsty.
मैं वो नहीं हूँ।
I am not him. I am not him.
ये बहुत है।
This is much. This is much.
मुझे तुम याद करते थे।
You missed me. You missed me.
क्या तुम्हें यकीन है?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
उसने मुझे डरा दिया।
He scared me. He scared me.
मैं विवाहित हूँ।
I am married. I am married.
मैं निकल रहा हूँ।
I am leaving. I am leaving.
लानत है तुम पर।
Damned on you. Damned on you.
जाकर पढ़ाई करो।
Go and study. Go and study.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। देर न करें।
Don't be late. Don't be late.
वो रो रहा है।
He is weeping. He is weeping.
टेबल लगा दो।
Set the table. Set the table.
सीखते रहो।
Keep learning. Keep learning.
अपना खाना खाओ।
Eat your food. Eat your food.
मुझे फिर से दिखाओ।
Show me again. Show me again.
सुनिए।
Listen, please. Listen, please.
उसको दर्द हो रहा है।
She is in pain. She is in pain.
वो अब नहीं रहा।
He is no more. He is no more.
उसने मुझे धोखा दिया।
He cheated me. He cheated me.
आज 10 जून है।
It is the 10th of June. It is the 10th of June.
जो हो सो हो।
Come what may. Come what may.
उसने नहीं खाया।
He didn't eat. He didn't eat.
मुझे एक झप्पी दो।
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
हाँ मैं बोल रही हूँ।
Yes, speaking. Yes, speaking.
चलो मान लिया।
Let's say that. Let's say that.
बार बार।
Time and again. Time and again.
उसे तैयार करो।
Get him ready. Get him ready.
धोखाधड़ी।
Sharp practice. Sharp practice.
वो मेरे पास आया था।
He came to me. He came to me.
यह सही है।
This is right. This is right.
तुम अच्छे लगते हो।
You look good. You look good.
और भी है।
More to follow. More to follow.
मुझे काम करना पड़ा।
I had to work. I had to work.
इशारा मत करो।
Don't gesture. Don't gesture.
मुझे बाहर जाने दो।
Let me go out. Let me go out.
इतने सारे सेब।
So many apples. So many apples.
मैं काफी अकेला हूँ.
I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely.
हिचकिचावो मत.
Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate.
मैं अब फोन रखता हूँ.
I hang up now. I hang up now.
फोन मत काटना.
Don't hang up. Don't hang up.
देखो मैं क्या करता हूँ.
See what I do. See what I do.
उसे सोने दीजिए.
Let him sleep. Let him sleep.
वो सोचेगा.
He will think. He will think.
घर का भेदी लंका ढाहे.
A black sheep. A black sheep.
अब तुम्हारी बारी है.
It's your turn now. It's your turn now.
लाइट चली गई है.
Light is gone. Light is gone.
मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ.
I am busy now. I am busy now.
पढ़ते रहो.
Keep studying. Keep studying.
यह सच नहीं है.
It's not true. It's not true.
मैं एहसानमंद हूँ.
I am grateful. I am grateful.
नाक साफ करो.
Blow your nose. Blow your nose.
ये किसका है?
Whose is this? Whose is this?
वो डर गया.
He got scared. He got scared.
इतना नहीं.
Not this much. Not this much.
दरवाजा खोल कर दो.
Open the door. Open the door.
उसे नीचे रखो.
Put that down. Put that down.
क्या तुम अंधे हो?
Are you blind? Are you blind?
ये अजीब है.
This is weird. This is weird.
बारिश हो रही है.
It is raining. It is raining.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉच. चलो अब चलते हैं.
Now let's go. Now let's go.
क्या तुमने कोशिश की?
Did you try? Did you try?
मैं बर्बाद हो गया हूँ.
I am ruined. I am ruined.
इसे दोबारा करो.
Do it again. Do it again.
इसके अलावा.
What is more? What is more?
तो सुनो.
Then listen. Then listen.
अभी फोन रखो.
Hang up now. Hang up now.
मैं आती हूँ.
I am coming. I am coming.
कौन है वो?
Who is that? Who is that?
वो कैसी है?
How is she? How is she?
क्या तुम जानते हो?
Do you know? Do you know?
और बताओ.
Tell me more. Tell me more.
मैं अविवाहित हूँ.
I am single. I am single.
जल्दी ही मिलेंगे.
See you soon. See you soon.
ठीक यहीं.
Right here. Right here.
जल्द ही आने वाला है.
Coming soon. Coming soon.
कहाँ जाऊँ?
Where to go? Where to go?
कभी भी नहीं.
Never ever. Never ever.
यह मेरा बस्ता है.
It is my bag. It is my bag.
बहुत अच्छा था.
It was good. It was good.
क्या तुम्हारे पास है?
Do you have? Do you have?
यहाँ के लिए.
For there. For there.
अंदर ही रहना.
Stay inside. Stay inside.
दयालु बनो.
Be generous. Be generous.
जैसा तुम्हें ठीक लगे.
As you like. As you like.
बड़े अफसोस की बात है.
It's a pity. It's a pity.
शायद वो जाएगा.
He might go. He might go.
देख रहा हूँ.
I'm looking. I'm looking.
क्या तुमने खाना खाया?
Did you eat? Did you eat?
मैं कभी बुरा नहीं मानता.
I never mind. I never mind.
चिंता मत करो.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
हाँ, क्यों नहीं?
Yes, why not? Yes, why not?
खुद से पूछो.
Ask yourself. Ask yourself.
मेरा इंतजार करना.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
सब मिलाकर.
By and large. By and large.
तुमसे किसने कहा?
Who told you? Who told you?
सोमवार से.
Since Monday. Since Monday.
थोड़ा बैठो.
Sit a little. Sit a little.
मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है.
I trust you. I trust you.
कितनी गर्मी है.
It's so hot. It's so hot.
ऐसा मत करो.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
मैं कभी नहीं रोता.
I never cry. I never cry.
कोई परेशानी है.
Any problem. Any problem.
मुझे खाना पड़ा.
I had to eat. I had to eat.
ऊंचा बोलो.
Speak aloud. Speak aloud.
वो अंधा है.
He is blind. He is blind.
जाहिर सी बात है.
It's obvious. It's obvious.
सीधे जाना.
Go straight. Go straight.
सावधान रहो।
Be cautious. Be cautious.
कभी शेखी मत बघारो।
Don't boast. Don't boast.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। उसने फोन काट दिया।
He hung up. He hung up.
वो बहरा है।
He is deaf. He is deaf.
नौकरी ढूंढ लो।
Find a job. Find a job.
यह प्यार है।
It is love. It is love.
बुरा मत मानो।
Don't mind. Don't mind.
मैं मनहूस हूँ।
I'm jinxed. I'm jinxed.
10 बजे तैयार रहना।
Be ready at 10 o'clock. Be ready at 10 o'clock.
मैं कहूँगा।
I will say. I will say.
इससे काम चल जाएगा।
It will do. It will do.
उसके बाद।
Thereafter. Thereafter.
ऐसा है क्या?
Is that so? Is that so?
वो जरूर जाएगा।
He must go. He must go.
चिल्लाओ मत।
Don't shout. Don't shout.
इनमें से कोई नहीं।
Neither of them. Neither of them.
जैसी आपको इच्छा।
As you wish. As you wish.
मुझे जाना पड़ा।
I had to go. I had to go.
कौन कौन जाते हैं?
Who all go? Who all go?
कह नहीं सकते।
Can't say. Can't say.
आगे क्या?
What next? What next?
मैं सहमत नहीं हूँ।
I disagree. I disagree.
ये पाप है।
It's a sin. It's a sin.
ये पाप है।
It's a sin. It's a sin.
पानी पियो।
Drink water. Drink water.
उसे अंदर आने दो।
Let him in. Let him in.
दूध पी लो।
Drink milk. Drink milk.
मैं लेट हो गया।
I got late. I got late.
पता नहीं।
Don't know. Don't know.
किसने मारा मुझे?
Who hit me? Who hit me?
वो गूंगा है।
He is dumb. He is dumb.
डुबकी लगाओ।
Take a dip. Take a dip.
यहाँ ध्यान दो।
Focus here. Focus here.
मत जाओ।
Don't leave. Don't leave.
उसे विदा कर दो।
See him off. See him off.
मैं कोशिश करूँगा।
I will try. I will try.
मैंने सुना था।
I heard it. I heard it.
यह तुम्हारा है।
It's yours. It's yours.
यह सच है।
It is true. It is true.
कौन था?
Who was it? Who was it?
वो तुतलाता है।
He babbles. He babbles.
कौड़ी के भाव।
For a song. For a song.
बारिश होने दो।
Let it rain. Let it rain.
तुम बुरा मान जाते हो।
You feel bad. You feel bad.
ठीक थी।
It was okay. It was okay.
उड़ा दो इसे।
Blow him up. Blow him up.
वहाँ ही।
That's where. That's where.
चले।
Shall we go? Shall we go?
थोड़ी देर के लिए रोक दो।
Take a break. Take a break.
यह झूठ है।
It is a lie. It is a lie.
भूलना मत।
Don't forget. Don't forget.
नीचे उतारो मुझे।
Get me down. Get me down.
प्लीज एक लाइक एंड शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।